Please kindly notice my earrings. It's like every day I've told myself, I got this. It's from Gem Pro India, and it's a whole set of these different colors. It's got, So I've decided to wear a different color every day and dazzle my audience. Like, for want of better things to do. But really, actually, I've been making good use of my time since I've read this book called The Modern Gurukul by Sonali Bendre, and she's a cancer survivor, right? So uh, this book it's a very every parent, it's like reading a parent's personal journal. Really, it's basically, it's mostly about, I'll be honest, it's mostly about her son Ranveer. And you can tell that she's an amazing parent. Yeah, like she's like, uh, like literally most of us, me in particular, we pretty much can become helicopter parents. Like, we want to know every aspect of our child's life, which is beautiful. But considering I'm reading this other book called The Surrender Experiment, I'm reading it, I just began reading it soon after reading this Sonali Bendre's book. So I've realized that really we need to just surrender things to the universe, because as much as we want to believe things are in our hands, they aren't, they aren't really. So, but try and catch it, people. It's called The Modern Gurukul, because those of y'all who are Sonali Bendre's fans, it'll give you an insight into how her mind works, and you realize that she became a superstar, that she is, because of the way her mind functions. Like, she's like, she takes up any task and gives it her 200%, and she's like very committed as a person. So catch it, people. Try and read it. It's on Amazon. It's called The Modern Gurukul, and it's a beautiful book. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.